Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn Science of Class 2, Lesson 30. Our lesson name is The Moon. So, children, today we are going to learn about the moon. So, moon is the nearest neighbor of the earth in the space, and it is the first heavenly body on which vehicle from the earth landed. So, children, here we will discuss more about the moon. Okay, we will discuss some more about the moon. So, we can see the moon at night, isn't it? We see the moon at night. So, children, have you noticed that moon change its shape every night? Yes, moon change its shape every night. On some night we can see a thin arc, and on some night we can see full moon, and on some night we cannot see the moon at all. So, children, moon has no life. Moon has no life because there is no air and water. Moon has no life because there is no air and water. So, no one can live on the moon. So, children, we know that we need air and water to live, isn't it? So, moon has no air and water. That is why no one can live on the moon. But some countries have sent their spaceship to the moon. So, now we will discuss about that only. The space explorers. Okay, explorers means to travel any place and learn about it. So, moon has always fascinated man, and he always wanted to stay on the moon, and this dream became true in 1969. This dream became true in 1969 when an American astronaut Neil Armstrong went to the moon, and he went to the moon with Edwin Aldrin and Michael Collins, and they brought back soil, rocks, and took some photographs of the moon, and these things help us to know more about the moon. Now, next we'll see Rakesh Sharma. Rakesh Sharma was the first Indian cosmonaut who landed on the moon. Third is Kalpana Chawla. Kalpana Chawla was the first Indian woman to go into the space. Fourth is Sunita Williams, Indo-American astronaut. This Sunita Williams was an Indo-American astronaut, and she stayed for longest period in space. And this Sunita Williams stayed longest period in space, and she had passed more than 6 months in 2006 in space. Okay, this Sunita Williams had passed more than 6 months in space in 2006. So, now next we will discuss about the light on the moon. So, children, the moon shines at night. Okay, the moon shines at night, and on a full moon night, the moon looks like a silver ball. The moon looks like silver ball. Children, moon has no light, isn't it? Moon has no light. So, moon gets its light from the sun. This moon gets light from the sun, and that light only, this light only we can see on the earth at night, isn't it? Moon has no light. So, moon gets its light from the sun, and that light only we can see on the earth at night, isn't it? So, children, I hope you have understood. So, once again, I want to ask you, so who was the first man to step on the moon? Neil Armstrong was the first man to step on the moon. Okay, please don't forget it. And once again, you also go through the book and you will understand more. Okay, thank you.